Hello everyone, today I am show you about best bedroom plants that purify the air and improve your sleep quality. If you've been thinking of adding some plants to your sleeping quarters, then you may be interested to know that some plants are better than others in the bedroom. It was proven by NASA in 1989 that plants can remove toxins from our air. But not all plants were created equal when it comes to their air filtering and sleep-inducing abilities. This article contains the ultimate list of the best house plants to grow in your bedroom if you want to increase your chances of a better night's sleep. Benefits of plants in bedrooms. Increased humidity. Some plants can increase the humidity of our air by a process called transpiration. They absorb water from the soil with their roots and then circulate that water throughout their stems and leaves with a vein-like system. Once the water gets to the leaves, some of it evaporates and therefore increases the humidity of the air around it. Some plants are much better at this than others. For example, the Erica palm has one of the highest transpiration rates of any plant, with a 6-foot plant being able to evaporate a quart of water into the air in every 24-hour period. Higher humidity is especially beneficial in the bedroom, as for most people, it is where they spend a large portion, if not the highest proportion, of their time. And high humidity has numerous health advantages. Higher humidity can work wonders on the condition of your skin. And having a humidifier at home has long been recommended by dermatologists for this very reason. While dry air can leave your skin and lips feeling dull, and chapped, moist air has the opposite effect. If you sleep in high humidity, you can expect to wake with your skin feeling more supple and refreshed. High humidity isn't just good for you in cosmetic terms, and it can also help prevent colds and flu. A research has shown that at below equal 23% of relative humidity, total virus collected stayed at 70.6 to 77.3%. Infectivity at increased humidity above 43% only render 14.6 to 22.2%. This could go a long way to preventing infection and keep you in tip-top health. If you are unfortunate enough to contract a cold or virus, high humidity could help you out. Increased moisture in the air will help to relieve the pain in your nasal passages, making it easier to breathe. For this reason, high humidity is also recommended for a range of respiratory conditions. Air purification. A NASA study in 1989 found that houseplants can work to remove common toxins from the air. Formaldehyde, benzene, xylene, and trichloroethylene, among others, are dangerous carcinogenics, causing volatile organic compounds, which are released into our air through a number of ways. Some of the common items in homes which release these chemicals are carpets, laminate flooring, paint, household detergents, glues, pesticides, and smoking. Since homes have become better insulated in an effort to improve energy efficiency, this has actually worsened the problem of toxins in homes. With less air circulation, toxins in the air in our homes has become trapped, causing levels of toxins to rise. Because we can see these toxins, it is typically something we don't think about, let alone try to rectify. However, it has been shown that sustained exposure to even low levels of these chemicals can cause minor health problems, such as headaches, to more worrying issues, including types of cancer, Toxins in the air in your home can also irritate ears, nose, throat, and skin, and cause increased problems for sufferers of asthma. Allergies have also been known to be worsened, and even caused by air pollution within homes. One of the ways we can combat this is with houseplants, which have been proven to filter toxins from the air. Studies have revealed that some plants can remove over 80% of toxins in the air in as little as 24 hours, resulting in a much healthier air for you and your family to breathe. NASA recommends having between 15 and 18 air filtering houseplants in 1,800 square foot home. Soothing properties. Some scented plants have the ability to soothe and relax your mind, making it easier to fall asleep and improving the actual quality of your sleep. Breathing in the aroma of one specific plant has the effect of slowing your heart rate and relaxing your muscles, leading to a well-rested night's sleep and a higher level of energy the following day. Another plant has been shown in studies to have a similar sedative effect of taking Valium pills. Stress reduction. Houseplants are known to reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. For this reason, it would be particularly effective to keep houseplants in your bedroom, as a reduction in stress and anxiety will be key to a more restful night of sleep. Stylish decor. Anyone who checks out Pinterest or Instagram will have noticed that houseplants are massively on trend right now. They are experiencing a resurgence in popularity in all kinds of interior design styles, from contemporary modern to country chic. Adding a houseplant to your bedroom will instantly update your look and give your decor a lift. It can play a big part in your bedroom color scheme. Architectural looking plants can have a particularly strong visual impact, as well as being fashionable. Houseplants also help to breathe life into your interior design, making a dull or drab room feel fresh, vibrant, and renewed. Overnight oxygen release. All plants take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen during the day, however. This process is typically reliant upon the presence of light, so the majority of plants work in reverse, in the absence of light during the night, taking in oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide. However, some plants operate differently and are actually able to continue respiration with no access to light. These plants continue to release oxygen throughout the night, making them ideal bedside companions. It is alleged that an increase in oxygen during the night will help you to breathe better, and the air you are breathing will be healthier. Both of these things can aid with sleep.